Have you ever heard of a company paying out 400% commissions to its affiliates? That means paying out $28 for every $7 sale that they make. If you just casually think about it, it certainly sounds like a quick way to go bankrupt, right? That was my first reaction, but since they're actually still offering the 400% commissions, obviously that is not the case. But I was still itching inside and I had to find out for myself how they managed to do it. And now that I understand it myself, I'm going to show you exactly how the OLSP Megalink system manages to do exactly this and how it's actually a brilliant, highly profitable mathematical / marketing strategy for your benefit. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Herman, and I help frustrated affiliates that have spent too much money on shiny objects without anything to show for it to develop the right mindset that will help them move the needle forward in their business. So let's get into it. The alchemy of affiliate marketing, decoding the secret math behind the 400% commission engine. If you've been looking into the newly relaunched OLSP system, you might have seen some crazy claims about their commission structure. In fact, I created myself a video review of the new OLSP, including everything that's new, which also includes a superficial explanation of the 400% commissions. But today we're putting on our business hats. We're going deeper into the logic and the math of how this is possible. I'm going to break down exactly who gets these massive commissions and how the company can actually afford to pay them, because that's what you need to understand. First, let's clear up who gets this 400% commissions payout. The front-end product of OLSP is the Megalink, which only costs just $7. If you only were to buy the Megalink, you'd be able to offer it to others and bank 100% commissions every single time you sell it. Definitely not a bad deal itself. But to unlock the massive 400% payouts, an affiliate must upgrade to the community builders tier. Once you're a community builder, you unlock a two-tier earning engine. Number one, it's not 100% commissions anymore. Now you earn 200% commissions, which is $14 on every $7 Megalink you sell directly. On top of that, there is a tier number two. In other words, when someone you sold the Megalink to makes himself a $7 Megalink sale, you earn another 200% commissions, another $14. So, from the standpoint of a community builder affiliate, when somebody under them makes a $7 sale, OLSP pays the person who made the sale whatever commissions they earned. Remember, the first level commissions depend on which level the affiliate is at, with 100% commissions being the minimum, the bare minimum. Then OLSP pays $14 to their community builder sponsor. That could be a total of up to $28 paid out by the company on a $7 transaction, representing exactly 400% in commissions. Now, let's talk about the math. Paying out $28 on a $7 sale creates an immediate $21 deficit for the company, right? So, how is this feasible without the company going under? I mean, one time it's possible, 5 times maybe, but ongoing, like thousands of times? Here is the most important factor you need to understand. OLSP has decided to pay their affiliates instead of spending money on paid ads. Let's define a couple of terms that will help us understand this better. There is something in business called the CAC. This is the money that needs to be invested by a business in order to get a new buyer. This is called the customer acquisition cost, or by its initials, CAC. Most online businesses take their budget and hand it straight to Facebook, Google, YouTube, or any other provider of paid advertising. OLSP does things differently. They use the $7 Megalink as a strategic loss leader. In other words, the company willingly takes a $21 loss on the front end because they treat that $21 as their customer acquisition cost, or CAC. See where I'm going with this? By over-rewarding you, the affiliate, the ones in the marketing trenches, they guarantee a massive volume of leads without ever having to buy a single paid ad. They're putting the ad budget directly into your pocket. It also works because of two massive backend factors. First, to unlock these commissions, among many other things, an affiliate must become a community builder. This membership ensures that OLSP receives a good baseline of cash flow from its top promoters. The people who see the big picture and are willing to do the work and go out there and promote. Second, they are masters at maximizing customer lifetime value, or CLV. As an aside, CLV, or customer lifetime value, is the amount of profit that a business statistically expects to earn from its clientele during their business relationship. This obviously means that they have to know their numbers, and it seems that they do, as they have been offering variations of this for the last 6 or 7 years. OLSP is not new. So in OLSP, that $7 mega link is just the entry point into a highly structured funnel. After buying it, customers are presented immediately with a couple of upsells, like a $27 AI tools package or a $27 per month live profit builder subscription. From there, leads are nurtured into Tuesday live trainings and Saturday challenges, which pitch vetted premium, high-ticket backend coaching and software offers. Because OLSP's catalog consists entirely of digital products and software, they have virtually zero marginal cost for fulfillment and hosting. So, even if only a small fraction of those $7 buyers eventually upgrade to a $199 per month tier or purchase a high-ticket coaching package, the pure profit margins in the back end ensure that the average customer lifetime value skyrockets far beyond the initial $21 it costs to acquire that client. So, there you have it. It's not magic. It's not a gimmick. It is just brilliant math and a company owner, Wayne Crow, that prefers to pay its community instead of paying billionaire ad networks like Google and Facebook. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe so you don't miss future reviews, and check the link in the description below to grab your own mega link and start taking advantage of this system today. Oh, and if you want to understand more of what the whole new LSP includes, just take a look at this video that explains it all. I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next one.